Good morning mga tao. At sa mga sinaunang tao sa Pilipinas, our beloved indigenous kababayan, they call them Aita, so they are the indigenous people of the Philippines. So he's selling like alikansya, they call it alikansya in Tagalog, it's bamboo, and still some people were not buying from him for the way he looks or where he came from. People who always face discrimination everywhere they go. The reason why I'm doing this, guys, because I feel bad for the indigenous people. I mean, they work hard and we might not all look the same, but we are all deserving to have a space in this society. We all deserving to be treated equally, no matter how we look or where we came from. So we tried to find him for long, pero unfortunately, wala siya. So we couldn't find him. If any one of you happens to know where the guy is, you can just message me. So here we are now, guys, in Binondo, near Chinatown Mall. Somebody messaged me that the Aita people are sitting outside Chinatown Mall trying to sell their alikansya and other stuff like walis. The things they homemade, you know, that's what's amazing about them. They make their own stuff and then they go out here on the streets to try to sell it to the passers-by, everybody that's just passing by. That's the reason why they travel all the way from Zambales to Manila, you know, to try to push their stuff, to try to sell it. They got their amazing talent. If you watch, I've watched documentaries on how they make the alikansya. It's all manual, so they use really amazing skills. That's the reason why.
Turn left on Reina Rehente.
That's the reason why I am here. Ways. That's the reason why I am here, guys, to support them and to help them. Marami tao, they're wearing masks para you don't get sick. It was carbonara virus. So we are here in Chinatown Mall and we're gonna go out, Joe, to look for the Aita. Try natin. We're gonna try to ask him to give us one alikansya for free. Then we're gonna see his reaction, if he's gonna give it to us or not. We're gonna film him from far first, then we're gonna surprise him right after. Jo?
Sana nandyan na siya.
Oh, pero pag hindi siya marunong Tagalog, ikaw yung translator.
Hello!
Hindi marunong?
Hindi po.
Sige, try natin. Ako marunong.
Ikaw?
Oo. Alam ko that kanta sa pi 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 ang dalilim. Tawa? Sige. Ano pangalan mo po?
Daniel.
Daniel? Wow. So ito yung bebenta po? Meron pa? Pwede tingnan siya? Pwede kunin? Anong tawag ito po sa Tagalog? Alikansya?
Alikansya.
Alikansya ito? Magkano pwede lagay dito?
Sa 5,000.
5,000? Kung 20-20 lang?
Kahit kwento na 10 pesos.
Pwede. Matibay ito. Pero sino ginawa po? Sino gumawa po?
Kami po.
Talaga? Handmade yan?
Gawa sa kamay.
Gawa sa kamay? Ang galing. Oh, taga Zambales kayo. Ilang taon ka na po?
23.
23? Ikaw? 22. Ikaw? 24. So, araw-araw kayo papunta dito?
Meron po kami sa Tayuman po. Release po.
Ganda, Joe, ha? Sana may pera tayo.
Wala kaming pera eh.
Pwede libre? Ha? Pero magkano isa? Ito. 25? 25 isa? Isang peraso? Tapos ito, magkano yung alikansya? 100. 100? 100, isang peraso? Maganda. Wala tayo ano? Wala tayo pera? Wait lang, I'll just check pag ano. Gusto ko kunin dalawa alikansya, tapos dalawang ano. Pero kalimutan ako yung pera ko.
Nakakalimutan yung pera niyo.
Pwede? Pag gusto ko kunin dalawa ito pwede? Sigurado po?
Dito lang po.
Dito lang? Sige. Kunin ko dalawa ito, tapos dalawa. Pwede ako choose yung kulay? Sigurado po? Green, saka yung yellow. Okay na? Sige, salamat. You give me this libre, tapos kahit wala ako pera, you still give it to me. Kahit mukhang mayamang ako. So, you're a good person talaga. Mabait ka, kuya, talaga. Kasi kahit mukhang mayamang ako, bigay mo sa akin kahit sabi ko, wala ako pera. Appreciate ako talaga yung ginagawa mo. And for that, I'll pakyaw pa ninda lahat yung alikansya mo. Bili ako lahat po. Sige po. No problem. Okay lang. Kahit ano tira. Ako bayaran po. Bigay mo siya. Ako bayaran po. Sige, libre po. Ako bayaran. Wala na plastic po kasi galing sa palace tayo. Wala na plastic doon. Para sa environment.
Thank you. God bless.
Welcome po. Magkano estimate kuya? Magkano lahat? Estimate.
Ito po sa amin kuya. Ano po yan? 150.
150 isa?
Tapos 100.
100? So this is my hidden camera. We're gonna show their talent. They are very talented talaga, you see. This is all handmade, then lagay dito Zambales. Also here they sell different kinds of alikansya, different colors, which is amazing. So magkano lahat? Lahat. So iba-iba kayo, di ba? Iba-iba kayo. Pero kaibigan, ano? Kaibigan. Nice. I like your buhok. Maganda yung buhok. Sana all. Sige po. So, magkano ito?
100 po.
Sige.
Ito po, 70.
Sige kuya, magkano ito lahat? Tapos ito lahat, ito lahat. Mahirap sa math. Joe. Sige. Tapos may pasalubong ako sa'yo. Yung Thug Life Shades, may pasalubong sa'yo.
I have photo and a subscriber.
Now, your second surprise is Bili ako lahat, pero hindi ako kuning lahat. Kuning ako kwentila para pasalubong. Tapos yung iba sa'yo. Pwede kayo bibenta bukas. Kuning ako konti na lang, hindi lahat. Para pwede sa'yo kita bukas pagbibenta. Tama? Sige po. Kunin ko sa employee ko para pasalubong lang. Sige? 10 pieces lang. 10 pieces. Tapos yung iba sa'yo. Pwede bukas bibenta.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Sige po.
Regalo.
Salamat po. Salamat sa regalo. Sobra astig kayo. Kasi papunta kayo kahit malayo, papunta kayo dito kahit ulan or mainit. So ito yung regalo ko sa iyo. Sige, balik ako dito. Sige, pwede keep na lang yung alikansya mo, tapos bibenta. Base.
Picture po tayo.
She's the one who messaged me. What's your name?
Maris po.
Maris messaged me and she told me, because I was looking for the Aita people, the native people. I was looking for them because I want to surprise them and I want to help them at the same time. So thank you for also helping me and messaging me. She told me they are here. She took a photo of them. So I drove all the way, malayo. Pero sulit. So, ganon. Ingat po.
Thank you po.
Oo. Oh, you saw my biryani, the one in Taal, Taal.
Yes,
Phuket.
Taal.
Ah, yes po.